What we're looking to do with the wall squat here is to improve internal rotation in the hip. So what we're going to be doing in this position is first creating a stable base where the heel is against the wall and we can feel our quads and our glutes engage by pressing ourselves against the wall and hands firmly into the ground. What we want to do in this position is then drive the knees slightly in and then inhale into the position, and as we breathe out, driving the knees forward. Then we're going to inhale into the movement and push our hips up, and then we're going to exhale down like so, dropping the knees down into this position. We're going to inhale into the movement, and then imagine we are hip hinging into the motion. So now we're going to go into a hip hinge and breathe the air out, letting the knees drop down, knees slightly come in and flatten the lower back into that position there. Now in this position here, as we're breathing out, we want to recreate the same level of stability or spinal position as when we're about to hip hinge in the bottom of a deadlift. So we want to inhale into the top of the movement and then exhale steadily as we bring our knees down into this position. And this spinal position, this bracing that we've been able to create, is what we want to recreate when we're doing any form of hip hinging, be it an RDL, deadlift, trap bar deadlift, of anything in that nature. And that's the ability to get the knees in, the hips back, and then sit back into this hip hinge position and create the stability needed in order to get a clean hip hinge with minimal changes to the lower back position.